$45,000 for a three-bedroom apartment in Lagos, yes or no? In 2007, when the minimum wage was less than $50, a three-bedroom apartment in Ikoyi could rent out for $45,000. Meanwhile, $45,000 was about 5.6 million naira that year. But today, $45,000 is about 72 million naira. And to rent a three-bedroom apartment in Ikoyi will not require that much. But with about $20,000, you will get a three-bedroom apartment in Ikoyi. So what is the whole essence of this video? Well, times have changed. The $45,000, that was a lot of money then. It is still a lot of money now. But the opportunities you had then were limited, unlike now as a dollar investor. With 72 million naira, because if you convert that, that is the estimate. With 72 million naira, you can do a lot of things. Now, you may not have been able to get a decent apartment back then, but now in places like Ikate, we may say, okay, the apartments are selling for 150 million naira, but you know that if you join forces with other people, you can build your project yourself with 72 million naira. Sometimes we don't know the opportunities we have, and we don't know that now is actually the best time for people who have in dollars, even those with naira. Or you see, those of you, especially those of you who are based abroad, now is the opportunity, because now investors and developers are becoming more wiser, they're becoming more smarter. They are no longer pricing and they're afraid of the exchange rate. Now, no. Rather, they are even following the exchange rate. If the rate goes up, they will increase their price, because there is always a market and there is always a demand. So what can you do? Join forces with other people. We're talking about investing in a place like Aja. 30 million naira with other people, you will get an apartment. Not just will you get an apartment, you will also be earning from income that will be, because it is a project, and in that project there are allocated apartments that will be for a selected few 50 people with 30 million naira. I know we're talking about 72 million naira, but imagine if with 40 or 45,000 naira, imagine you just take half of it, invest in this kind of opportunities, and it is a long-term investment, because we are targeting 50 people. Imagine 50 people join forces together and you decide that, okay, we have reserve cash flow, we want to invest in multiple projects, and it can be a long-term investment for you and for generations yet to come. If you're interested in this kind of opportunities, you have some money on ground, you want to invest in real estate, you want to go beyond just owning an apartment to also owning a stream and a source of long-term income, let us talk. We have a product for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.